if you're having the same issue a decade later, then you're not solving the issue, you're the issue. When you're in that leadership position, you're not supposed to be loyal to a party. You're supposed to be loyal to the people that you serve and to the people that elected you. Public office is not an office of power and fame. Public office is a servitude. It's your job to be a good steward. If the businesses win, the city wins. If the city wins, the residents win. That's one thing that a lot of people also don't know. Your family signs up for politics. If you hang around with 5 broke, busted, and disgusted people, you're gonna be the 6th. If you hang around 5 successful people, you're gonna be the 6th. You are the average of the people that you associate with. The minute you stop learning is the minute that you stop growing.